up, guys? Back with another video. We're actually headed out to this event right now. My boy has his LS swapped E46 single turbo that he's gonna be drifting in. Show y'all that a little bit. E46 swap. That boy be moving. That big turbo life. That shit sounds really good. We have a lot of windows open. Hoping that audio ain't terrible. Got the sunroof open too. Getting that fresh breeze. Back up with my boy. Hella traffic right now though. Mind the turning lane?
Yeah, you're in a turning lane. Yeah, we're both in a turning lane, but I think at that light we have to make a right.
Oh, okay. We're getting close. I see cars on back of trailers. We're getting close. Volkswagen Bug. Honestly, I love driving this car next to things because, man, the sound just echoes so good. Y'all hear that, man? Thought I heard something. Where are we going? Oh. Damn, that thing is crazy loud. And everybody loved it. Ooh. Everyone loved a LS swap single turbo. You can't go wrong with that. Yeah, there's a lot of cars in here, honestly. Quite a bit. You know, he was sliding. He came in hot. Go, let's go. BMW moving. Damn, what's he doing in it? Oh shit. Oh shit. Bro, he smacked the wall. There's people right there, bro. Bro, oh hell. Brandon, hey, if he smacked this shit coming flying, bro. Hey, we gotta jump. Hey, if we gotta jump. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, it's sparking. Oh, damn. Oh, he's done. He went until the tire blew. It's definitely. Thing was going stupid. Sheesh. Yeah, we was definitely. Damn. That thing does not play, man. We was going. Hey, yeah, bro. Hell yeah, brother. Hey, good shit, brother.
Great, huh?
Oh. That bent is going now, T? Jeez. Jeez. Damn, C7. What you got done to it? Obviously. What you got done to this? Damn.
Supercharger on there.
Supercharger, how much you making?
Headers. I haven't dynoed it, bro. I gotta do my fuel system still, so I didn't see a point in fucking paying for 2 dynos.
Yeah, got you.
I barely got this shit done. That shit's hard, bro. Appreciate you.
Yeah, you was spitting all kind of flames when you was
Yeah,
going,
it went
man.
in the limp mode. That's why I stopped.
Okay, okay.
That shit cool now or what? Yeah, I cleared the code. It was coming on before, and then
You don't know how much you're making, but damn, this shit's hard, bro. Hey, I honestly thought you were a Z06 for how much it was like, how it was sounding. This shit sounded crazy. Catless headers, man. This shit manual? Oh, you're manual too, huh? Yep. Yeah. That shit hard. Damn, yeah, this thing was spitting all kind of flames. Shit. That thing is hard. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. What they got? What do I want? I want some We ended up like that, boys. You guys haven't already hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, more content on the way. On the way. Stay tuned.